Today we're talking about supercars. First on our list, the Bugatti Chiron Supersport, clocking in at a staggering $2.4 million, boasting an impressive 1,577 horsepower. Next, the Pagani Huayra BC, a $2.8 million masterpiece of engineering, combining speed and artistry like no other. Finally, the Rolls-Royce Boattail, not your typical supercar, but a luxurious beast nonetheless, worth a cool $28 million. These vehicles are not just cars, they're testaments to human ingenuity, pushing the limits of what's possible. Buckle up, because the world of supercars is just getting started.